Okay guys, not exactly on the dock today. I can't get to it. In a different area, everything is under security. There's lots going on here. Some of it I don't understand. Must be for bringing in big ships out here. The land across the way here is Singapore again, of course. It is very windy. Sorry about the wind noise. These boats right here are pilot boats. Except this one. She's quite nice. This barge thing behind it here, that's where they do the offshore survival training. Helicopter simulator and all kinds of fun stuff where they gotta simulate a helicopter and they flip it upside down like an helicopter crash and teach you how to get out of it. Not much fun, not for me anyway. Down here, all we can see is the top of the masts on all the tugboats. And I can't get down there. For some reason, it's all locked up. There's some kind of bulk carrier right there. Lots of lifeboats. In one of my other on the dock videos, there was a lifeboat out cruising around. Not like that one. Like that. It's a lifeboat off of, well, they're on everything. Oil rigs, barges, big ships. This pilot boat looks like the one that I saw in the video where they were bringing it in on the truck. The video I made about the garbage. The Wasteful Society video, whatever it was called. Looked like that one. I'll do a pan around here. Right in this building here is all kinds of stuff. Restaurant, convenience store, anything for, mostly for the guys coming off the boats. Buy your basic necessities, potato chips and chocolate bars, stuff like that. I actually think they sell beer in there too, but I'm not sure. There's a tugboat moving right there. No idea what she's doing. Okay guys, that's about it. Nothing too exciting. Got a few different looking boats. I don't know what to use these little ones for. I think it's a pilot boat, but I'm not sure. Small. They're really fast.